Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Borosil ChefDelite 300W chopper. This is a vegetable chopper from Borosil. This has a 300W powerful motor, which is a low noise motor as well, and also comes with twin blade technology. The product code for this particular chopper is BCH20DWB21. It also comes with auto cutoff for motor safety, and it also sports 2 years of warranty. Let's quickly take a look at the other side. Do we have any more information? Once again, over here it says that it's a 300W motor. Net weight is 890 grams. And this particular box contains one motor unit, one chopping container, one blade set, one rubber lid, and one user manual. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. This is a user manual for the BCH20DWB21, the ChefDelite 300W chopper. You should read this at least once. Anything that you need to know about this particular product, you will find over here. There is a product description as well with a nice diagram over here that includes the operating switch, motor unit, bowl lid, etc. I'm going to keep this right over here and take a look at the chopper itself. This is the motor unit. There's a plastic layer on top. Let me just remove that and show it and give you a better look. Motor unit for this particular chopper. Notice the Borosil logo on top. This has a black and silver color scheme. The black is actually piano black, which explains why it's so glossy to begin with. This is the power switch on-off button right at the top, and this is the motor right over here. Next we have the chopping container. This is where you put all your vegetables and fruits in to, chop them up. Let's see if I can open this. I should be able to open this. Yes, this is the rubber lid right underneath. And how do I open this again? This does not explain how to open this. Alright, so there is a marker. So twist this way and it comes right off. This is the lid for this particular cutting jar, and these are the blades in question that you will be using to chop whatever vegetable and fruit that you want to dice. Notice this is the twin blade technology, total of 4 blades, 2 at the center and 2 at the outside. So ideally the rubber base should be at the bottom, and this will go at the top. Switch this on and show you what it actually sounds like. That's the best I can do as of now, because as you can see I don't have any vegetable or fruits with me. So there you go. You can see this, but you can definitely hear this. When I press on this, the blade starts whirling basically. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Borosil ChefDelite 300W chopper. Thank you for watching.